I take a deep breath first. Take a deep breath. Dude, oh, look, got the paper going on, so I still can't see it yet. Oh, dopeness. Yes, this is it. This is the magic. You see that? I mean, I know you've already seen it. You already know what's up. Crazy. This is it. Oh, this is love. This is such love. Oh, this is amazing. I love just the love it shows. You know, I'm all about love. I'm a love guy. It's all about love. I love the purple with that royalty, that crown going on, and just the creativity. That's what it's about. Then of course you've seen the city of Baltimore going on. This is amazing. And one thing I hope that this does is this T-shirt is about unity. You know what I mean? Like, it's about unity. It's about togetherness. It's about love. It's what above it all it's about. It's about what I'm about. It's what Baltimore is about. This is it right here. Oh, I'm psyched. Gray, purple. Oh, this is it right here. This is love.